Okay, I'm here with Adam from Site Event, and I must say, you've got some very comfy sofas for us.
Thank you very much.
I love it. I love what you've done with the place. It's very cozy.
Yeah, it's nice. We're just celebrating our 30 years, so we thought we'd dress it out quite nicely.
Oh, you have. You've got a bit of a chandelier, a lighting chandelier, and the camera won't see this at the minute, but see, you've got some Prosecco waiting for us.
We do indeed. We do indeed.
Okay, so celebrating 30 years. What have you guys been doing for the 30 years?
So we supply portable toilets to the event and construction industry. It was originally my parents' company, and now me and my sister have sort of going to take it on hopefully in the next couple of years, and so we've just really driven forward the events industry with regards to luxury toilet trailers and showers.
Right, okay, now this is a kind of an off-the-wall question, right? Yep. Who is the cleanest, people at events or builders on the construction site?
Definitely people at events. Builders' toilets are...
Yeah, you don't want to go in the cubicle after a builder, do you?
No, it's awful.
Especially after 10 o'clock tea.
Yeah, do not go in a builder's toilet.
Okay, so what kind of festivals then do you cater for?
So we do festivals like Carfest South, Bournemouth Sevens, Stand and Cooling, so they're large, medium to large festivals.
Okay, right, and you do showers as well, yeah?
Yeah, so we've got a large shower fleet. We've got about 120 heads in total. Across about 15 trailers and shower pods.
Right, okay, well I think it's time to see the toilets and the showers.
Sure, let's go.
That's something that I've never said. I think it's time to see the toilets and the showers. But yeah, you're gonna take us, and what are we gonna see first?
So we'll take you to our shower pods.
Okay. Now I haven't got any shower gel, so hopefully there's some shower gel and towels in here. Right, okay.
So this is a ground-based pod, so we can get 4 of these on an Arctic. With a telehandler at the other end, it will just fork this off the flatbed Arctic.
Okay, so as you can see, this shower, very accessible. Just come with me right here. Here we go. Now this isn't hooked up to any water, is it? Okay, so there's a big red button, and people say you should never push the red button. So if I push the red button, I won't get wet. Oh, okay, right. Okay, so we're dry. Okay, so this is your shower cubicle, perfect. And you're going to show us your toilets.
This is a vacuum toilet, so this is a 6-bay vacuum pod. All the waste will be drawn away under a vacuum pump, well away from the actual toilet itself.
Right, okay, and this type of toilet, would this be kind of energy efficient? Is this good for the environment?
Yeah, so it's only uses 500 ml of water each flush compared to 6 litres in a normal conventional toilet. And yeah, they're excellent.
And if you want to come on in, you can see actually a little bit closer. This is a very posh toilet because they've got some hand gel and they've got a little cactus here, even a little candle. Is that customary for all toilets?
Every single event we do that.
Yeah. Even for the builders, will you give them?
Even for the builders. If they want a candle in their loot, they can have a candle in their loot.
I think you would need to put in about 5 or 6 candles after a builder.
Yeah.
Okay, so and then we've also got some larger portable rooms as well.
That's right. We've got a ticket office over there that drops to the ground, and you can tow it as well. And we've got a disabled wet room, which is a toilet and a shower.
Okay, so let's go and have a look at the disabled toilet, wet room and shower. Let's see. After you, we're making our camera woman here do lots of work. Okay, so obviously, as you can see, this is very, very spacious and easily accessible then for a disabled person.
A large wheelchair can fit in here, no problems at all, yeah.
Yeah, and you've got a shower, you've got the toilet, you've got all the hand washing facilities.
Yes, it's great. I mean, it's a proper wet room, so all the water will just go down to the drain and drain away. Yeah.
Okay, and how's your 2018 been? Have you guys been busy? What kind of events have you done this year?
It's been the busiest year we've ever had, to be honest with you. We've been fully booked every single weekend in the summer. Just not enough toilets to get out there, really, yeah.
So how many toilets do you guys have then?
So in the events fleet, we have around 600 to 700 single plastics, and we have maybe around 80 to 90 toilet trailers. So they're the luxury toilet trailers and showers.
Okay, and do you know what? I am so impressed by the amount of candles and smellies that are in each toilet. I love it. I love it. So these are fantastic toilets. I would say if you're going to a festival, if you are a builder on site and you need to wee or do something else, come to this type of toilet. It's beautiful. Site events.
Site events, yeah.
Okay, and where can people find you guys?
We're down on Avenue B, stand 158.
And what about the website details?
So website, you want to look at www.site-equip.co.uk.
Okay, Adam, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the festival. Thank you. See ya.
Cheers.